Alright guys and girls, welcome back to another episode. So, if you want to basically connect your Xbox controller, Series X, Series 1 or whatever Xbox controller you have, what you need to do is to press the Steam button, then go down to settings. There's a settings thing. So, hang on. So if I go here, then what we need to do is, so actually we do blank, right? So you go here, you press this button here, the Steam on the OLED Steam Deck, then go down to settings, and then you'll want to basically go all the way down to your Bluetooth. Go there. Actually, me unpair this, disconnect a minute. So, and then what we're going to do, because we've got this disconnected, we'll forget the device a minute. So it's switched off, and then what we're going to do is turn this back on. So you press the Xbox button there to turn on, and then what you'll want to do is to press this button here and hold that down till it flashes like crazy. That's going to flash a little bit faster. Now what you're going to do is and I need it be in pair mode. Right, and so it's going to search. Right, so what we need to do is put this in searching mode for Bluetooth. Right, so it's going to be there, so you can see. Like this is going to search in, and that available thing is come up. So what you need to do is quick go on there, and there should be a thing where you can hit the top button. At the top, there's like a little button with little lines on it on the right hand side, and then go pair. That takes a few seconds. Now you can pair it here, like that, and that's it. Basically, that's all done. Also, you can use a Nintendo button layout as well if you wanted to put a Nintendo controller on there as well, but we're using the Elite 2 controller. That's what it says up there, and that's all you need. It is 4:27 AM in the morning at the 25th. It's the 25th of February 2024 at the time of the video. Hope this, guys and girls, helps you to connect and pair a controller. And if it does, give a big thumbs up, guys and girls. Like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a list as well. I've got a massive list at the moment of games. I've just bought like a ton of games at the moment. I think like 10, 12 games tonight on Steam. And I'm basically going to be the test subject. So I'm just testing out whether these games work, whether these games don't. And if they don't, are in my Steam library, I can play them anytime I want. And I like to buy some as well, like really cheap off CD keys. And I recommend, guys and girls, like if you can find a game cheaper on CD keys than Steam, do go for CD keys. There's other websites out there as well, which you can check out to get the keys from. And all you do is put the code in and you're good to go and stuff. But yeah, cheers for watching, guys and girls. Stay safe. Hopefully this has helped some people out, and if it did, do leave a like on the top. Share it if you can, so other people can see it, and maybe that might help them as well. And I'm just doing like really easy tutorials on it. So cheers for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode.